Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. So we will see the next important question of module 2 from topic of ladder network oscillator. So the question is, mention the condition of sustained oscillations. Determine the frequency of oscillation of a 3-stage ladder network in which C capacitor equal to 10 nanofactor and the resistance is given 10 kilo ohm. So we will solve this later. First we will come to know what is we will mention the condition of required for sustained oscillations. So we will see conditions which are needed for sustained oscillations. For an oscillator to produce sustained constant amplitude oscillations, the following two conditions must be satisfied. So here, for an electronic circuit to produce a continuous oscillation, two basic conditions must be satisfied. These are known as Barkhausen conditions. So first condition is magnitude condition, second is phase condition. In this magnitude condition, the magnitude of a loop gain must be unity. So in this, the product of an amplifier and a feedback factor, that is beta, must be equal to an unity. This is the one of the condition of sustained oscillations. Next condition is phase condition. Here it is also called as phase shift condition. Here the total phase shift around the loop must be 0 or an integral multiple of 360 degree. Means here the total phase shift around the feedback loop must be 0 degree or 360 degree. This means the feedback signal is in phase with input signal, so the oscillation can be continue. These are the two conditions to satisfy the sustained oscillations. Next we will see the frequency of oscillations of 3-stage ladder network. So here the frequency of oscillation of 3-stage ladder network, it is also called as a 3-stage RC phase shift oscillator. So in this, for a 3-stage RC ladder network, the frequency of oscillation is given by f equal to 1 by 2 pi RC root 6. So here a 3-stage ladder network, also called as this RC phase shift oscillator, which consists of 3 identical RC sections. So each RC section provides a phase shift. 3 identical RC sections and each RC section provides a phase shift, and together they produce 180 degree phase shift, while the amplifier provides the remaining 180 degree. So total will be 360 degree. Next we will solve the given question. So now we will solve the given question. So we have the values which is given in the question are R equal to 10k ohm, which we can write as 10 into 10 to the power of 3 ohm, and the capacitor value they have given 10 nanofactor, which will be written as 10 into 10 to the power of minus 9 factor. So the frequency formula will be 1 divided by 2 pi RC root 6. Now we will substitute the values into the formula. So 2 pi, R value is 10 into 10 to the power of 3 into 10 to the power of minus 9 into root 6. So we will solve this in separate form. So here RC given 10 into 10 to the power of 3, 10 into 10 to the power of minus 9. So here base is same, so power will get add. So it will become 10 to the power of 4. And here base is same, the power will become add. So it will be minus 8. So RC value we got 10 to the power of minus 4. So we will add that value to in place of RC. That will be 10 to the power of 4 minus 4 into root 6. So we have the value now 2 pi into 10 to the power of minus 4. Here root 6 value we will get 2.449. So by shifting this 10 to the power of minus 4 upward, it will be 10 to the power of 4 divided by 2 pi into 2.449. So approximately we will get 649.747 Hertz. So we can write approximately to 650 Hertz. This is how you need to explain in exam to get a full marks. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.